Letters, numbers, punctuation, function, and action keys can be found on a standard keyboard and the Twiddler. But what about media controls found on extended media keyboard or smartphone? The Twiddler can handle those as well. Let's check it out. First, open up Twiddler Tuner and either edit an existing config or create a new one. Click the plus button, then the pen icon. A side window will slide open, and from there, you can select the buttons you want to use. To assign a function, click the Add button. Go to the Consumer section and you'll see a list of keyboard functions your Twiddler can perform. For example, if you want to use your Twiddler to change the volume, you can assign these buttons and look for the Volume Up function under Consumer. Hit Apply to confirm changes. The process is the same for Volume Down. You can use any chord and just look for the Volume Down command under Consumer. Want to pause playback with your Twiddler? No problem. Assign any easy-to-remember chord to pause the function. Once you've set everything up, don't forget to hit Apply and Save to save your changes. Choose the slot where you want these changes to be saved and transfer it to the Twiddler once it's downloaded. And there you have it. Now you can perform all these media functions and over 100 more with your Twiddler.